Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying power, not hoping. First, plug the PC into a known good outlet and flip the PSU switch on. Make sure any surge strip is functional. Once done, remove all USB and external drives so nothing interrupts post. Open the case and visually confirm the 24-pin ATX and 8-pin CPU power connectors are seated. Also check the front panel power cable orientation. These steps isolate power and basic wiring faults fast, which are the most common reasons Once power is confirmed, focus on post behavior because it tells you what fails. You should listen for beep codes and watch any motherboard LEDs or numeric post codes. Write them down. If there's no signal, remove and reseat RAM. Test each stick individually in the first memory slot to rule out bad DIMM. Next, reseat the graphics card and try the motherboard's integrated GPU if possible. These actions eliminate common hardware faults in memory and video subsystems that prevent booting. Now isolate storage and firmware. Disconnect SATA and NVMe drives and try to get to BIOS. If the board reaches BIOS with no drives attached, the problem might be a drive or boot record. If not, reset CMOS using the motherboard jumper or remove the battery for 60 seconds to clear corrupt settings. Finally, if issues persist, swap the power supply or test suspect parts on another system. This narrows down a failing PSU, motherboard, or CPU. Tip: if swapping parts, document changes to avoid confusion later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.